how to fix Wi-Fi adapter missing in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your Wi-Fi adapter missing in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply right click on your Windows and go with the device manager option. Now under device manager, you just need to simply go with network adapters, and here you will have your network adapters, right? So you just need to simply go with view and then go with hidden options. Go with show hidden devices and it will show all of your hidden devices. So you just need to simply go with the hidden Wi-Fi device. I'll just simply go with an example. Right click on it and then go with properties. And here you just need to simply go with driver and go with update driver and go with browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and it will take it to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll down and you will find network adapters option. So search for network adapters and go with next, and here you will have your device, right? So you just need to simply click on device and then go with next and just update your driver. Once you've updated your driver, but if it still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with system, and under system you need to scroll down and find the troubleshoot section. Go with other troubleshooters, and then you need to go with network and internet and run the troubleshooter for network and internet. And it might take a few minutes. You just need to simply go and apply the fix, and after applying, then your problem will be fixed. Or the third solution is you just need to simply open up your services. Once you open your services, now you need to find WWAN AutoConfig and WLAN AutoConfig. So you just need to simply click on any service and then press W on your keyboard. And here you need to find WWAN at first, which is right here. Right click on it and go with properties. And make sure that the startup type is automatic, and then go with start the service. Once you've started, you need to go with apply and OK. Once you're done with WWAN, now you just need to simply go with WLAN and then right click on it and go with properties. And again, make sure that your startup type is automatic, and then start the service and apply and OK. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is you just need to simply go with command prompt. Search for CMD, go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you need to enter some commands. So the first command goes like netsh space winsock space reset, and then hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, just wait for a few seconds, and then you need to exit out of the CMD and restart your PC and check for the Wi-Fi, and it might fix your problem. So these are the few fixes to how to fix your Wi-Fi adapter missing in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.